Okay, now I think it's getting recorded. Lot of teething trouble and hitches will be there. Kindly excuse me for that because I'm new to this whole Zoom classrooms. Okay, so first I think we should introduce ourselves. I'll talk about myself. I mean, as Sundaresh Mahodaya said in the other class, we are supposed to be talking in Sanskritam. But being the first day, we'll just have the introduction. We'll talk a little in English, then we'll switch over. So I'm Hema Shankar. I'm actually from Mumbai, but nowadays I'm living in the USA, in California. So that is, I think I'm associated with Harsha Seva Kendra for the last 2.5 years. I did my Siksha exam from them. I did the last exam also from them. Last year I finished. And so this year, first time I'm teaching as a Sanskrit teacher. I have come. I've taught children a lot of things, but as a Sanskrit teacher, this is the first day for me. So, I mean, you could please start introducing yourself. Chitra, your name is first, so you please talk about it.
मम नाम चित्रा. मम एकः पुत्रः एकः पौत्रः अस्ति. पुत्रः इंटेल कंपनी कार्यं कुर्वन् अस्ति. अहं गृहिणी अस्मि. मालती कक्षायां व्याकरणविशेषे मम अतीव जिज्ञासा अस्ति.
भवती कुत्र वसति?
Actually, Hyderabad नगरे वसामि. इदानीम् अमेरिका देशे ऑरेगन स्टेट में वसामि.
अस्तु, तदेव समयं तदेव सायं
6:15.
कैलिफोर्निया मध्येपि तदेव समयम् अस्ति इदानीं. अस्तु, कियत्पर्यन्तम् इदानीम् अत्र वसति भवति कियत्पर्यन्तम्?
End of September.
अस्तु 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 अस्तु. इतोपि
I have one more question, but regarding book पुस्तकस्य विषये मम एकः प्रश्नः अस्ति. सेप्टेम्बर् मासस्य अन्ते अहं पुनः भारतं गमिष्यामि. कोऽपि विचारः अस्ति वा रिगार्डिंग किं भवन्तः गूगल ड्रैव मार्गेण प्रेषयितुं शक्नुवन्ति वा बुक्? that PDF in that way.
PDF अहं न जानामि तद् विषये, यतः शिक्षातरस्य पुस्तकम् आधारितः वयं पाठयामः, परन्तु पुस्तकं PDF इति कर्तुं न शक्यते इति अहं मन्ये.
गृहकार्यं कथं
किमपि स्लैड्स् तत्र स्थापितं भवन्ति न, तत् आधारेण एव गृहकार्याणि दत्तानि भवन्ति.
धन्यवादः.
यत् सर्वं भवति अत्र कक्षायाम् अहं पाठयन्तः सर्वं तत् स्लैड्स् मध्ये अस्ति. शिक्षापुस्तकम् अस्ति चेत् इट्स् गुड्. With the slides you can manage. I mean, गृहकार्याणि तस्य उपरि एव दत्तानि भवन्ति.
Thank you. धन्यवादः.
तत्र स्थापितं भवन्ति. अस्तु, वीणा सच्चिदानन्द.
One small thing about books, ma'am. They have uploaded a Google sheet, a Google Doc with the websites to buy books from. I'm just putting it on the chat here. And for USA, there is another link. So maybe Chitra ji can check it from that link to see if it gets delivered in Oregon. Yeah.
No, already I purchased. It is in India. One next month, in the month of September, I'm going. No, already I purchased book.
Oh.
Here I want books. That only, that was just for 2 months' sake. I want book. That's all.
Tadapi slides
Okay.
पूरयेत् slides. And I mean, what I was told was Samskrita Bharati doesn't sell the books unless you appear for the exam. I mean, register for the exam. Something I was told. I do not know. Somebody was does not sell the books unless you register for the exam. Like that, somebody told me. Is it? So I do not know about it. So, अस्तु वीणा सच्चिदानन्द भवत्याः विषये किं परिचयं करोतु.
I we live in Bangalore.
Oh.
And I'm a retired teacher.
Oh.
I was teaching chemistry in Mount Carmel College here for many years. And I have 2 children. My daughter is in England. My son is in Canada.
Astu.
Now I'm taking, I go to a school here and I did a course on Bhagavad Gita. So I take Bhagavad Gita classes for children.
Oh.
From standards 1 to 5.
Adbhutam. Astu. Radhika Sundaresan.
मम नाम राधिका. अहं चेन्नै नगरे वसामि. I'll talk in English. I work on water management as a researcher. Basically policy and research based work. And I've been interested to learn Sanskrit. So I learned it in school till 10th standard. So I thought it would be good to continue now.
Uttamam. Shankarapuram Shripriya bhavata video off मध्ये अस्ति. Video on कुर्वतु. Video सदा भवनीयम्. भवतः परिचयं, भवत्याः परिचयं ददातु महोदय. श्रीप्रिया.
मम नाम श्री.
अस्तु अस्तु.
मम नाम श्रीप्रिया. अहं बेङ्गलूरु नगरे वसामि.
अस्तु.
गणितं पाठयामि स्कूल् मध्ये. I have 2 kids. One is doing work, other is doing her BE second year.
संस्कृत भवत्याः रुचि कथम् अभवत्? I mean,
शिक्षा COVID until COVID in Sanskrit Bharati. And I had done few courses in Vyoma also. Now I am this is ask Lata at this time. And Lata, after this I'm doing Malaka here in Arshise.
Kovida Pariksha dattavati va?
Yes, I completed COVID.
You completed. Vyoma मध्ये अपि किं कुर्वति तत्र? किं courses Vyoma मध्ये?
I did Sura Saraswati Sabha, and I had did 2 courses Sura Saraswati Sabha, Sringeri, and Patamala 3 I completed, which is Kanchi Matta. Patamala from I completed the 3 courses. Just I'm doing some few courses, grammar courses and all there, and I'll be applying for some courses which is there. And
Vyoma मध्ये अनेकाः courses भवन्ति तत्र. Very good place to learn. अस्तु अस्तु.
I completed my Ashtadhyayi, this one Parayana.
Ashtadhyayi Parayana, very good.
Yes, I completed. It was a 2 years course. And it's just not memorizing, but I can just read and
read. तदपि बहु उत्तममेव. पठनमपि कठिनमेव. So you have to be practicing.
2.5 years course it was. Around 2.5 years course. I just completed that. And I had did a few small courses, which is 3 months courses in the around 20 sections. Parayana, memorization, Narayaniyam, that and all. Just I did through shlokas and all. I did through Samshipta Ramayana.
लता कक्षायां Also you studied? You were in Lata Kaksha also here?
I was in Lata also. Last year I joined in this one, Ashray Seva Kendra. Through some WhatsApp group. This one. So I completed that. I completed here. And I'm working by 7:30. I will move, so I will off my video and I'll just listen to it, ma'am, with your permission. Because I'm working 7:20, my buses will start. So I have schools as by 7:30. 7:35 I will leave home, so just I will listen. I'll just go through all these things, okay?
Astu.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः इदानीं एतद् स्लैड्स् मालती कक्षा इति स्लैड् ग्रूप् मध्ये अस्ति न सर्वे पश्यन्तु तत्र अस्ति मालती कक्षा परिचयः इति अस्ति न स्लैड्स् परिचयः इदानीम् अभवत् सर्वेषां परिचयः अभवत् नेक्स्ट् स्लैड् भवति सोपानानि इति सोपानानि इति भवति न तत्र सोपानानि इति
स्लैड्स् कुत्र अस्ति महोदय?
That link I had put it in the group.
Yeah, Siksha, one is Siksha, another one is Samskrita Vyakarana Manjusha, something today.
No. See, in this WhatsApp group, tatra slides, that Google document, tasya link tatra sthapitam asti. Tatra pashyatu. WhatsApp group madhye aham sthapitavati kal yesterday. Those slides are not there.
No, I could find.
No, yesterday they all could find, in the other class, they all could find those slides, you know. Ekanimisham.
My name is not in WhatsApp group. Can you please send a link to join in WhatsApp group?
Who is that asking?
Sri Priya.
Sri Priya. Is it? Then I wouldn't know the number.
I'll send.
You have to give the number.
Okay. Shall I say now? We'll down or I'll just post in chat.
You put it in chat. I will just take a photo of it and then. But you have registered, isn't it?
Yeah. I registered last week. I got the link to join in the class. But this week I did not get any link, and about joining in WhatsApp group also I didn't get any link. So Chitra me now the link to join.
Ekanimisham. I'll just take the photo of your phone number. Then. Astu. I've taken a photo. Later on I will add you the.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yesterday we got WhatsApp group. We shall be using WhatsApp group for our course related communication. You can like that. It is you sent yesterday. That type of message only we got.
No, that is in the classroom. But in the WhatsApp group link, the group description is there, no?
Acha, good
group description. There I have posted the link for this class notes.
Class notes is there, madam.
Okay. It's there, no?
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. See.
Yeah, it is there.
See, there it talks about Malati Kaksha, Parichayaha, Nama, Kutra Vasati, Samskritam, Kimartam, Patitam Ichati. Tatsarvam asti va?
Not like the Shatru Pratyaya in that way.
Tadeva asti va? Adya Stapitam asti iti. I'm saying that today it has been posted there in that group. Anyway, it is okay. I will just see whether I can post it later.
Yeah.
So, as you all know, this is Sasyam Lata. This is the third level. Though we are supposed to be studying for this Siksha, from the Siksha book, it is not just the Siksha course. I know it's a little more than that. and writing the exam is left to you. I mean, basing on that, we'll be teaching here, but writing the exam, registering for the exam, everything is left to you people. And some of you have already written also. So that's a different thing. So, in this Siksha class, what are our Vyakaranamshaha? That slide, definitely, you're not able to see in that link.
I found it. I just posted it on the chat.
Because I have given the link yesterday. You found you are able to see that slides, you know? Patanamshaha. So can you read that from there? You read Patanamshaha is there, no? Vyakaranamshaha from that slide.
Okay.
You just read it. You read.
Okay.
You read.
Vyakaranamshaha. Vyanjana-sandhayah, Visarga-sandhayah, Shatra-shanat pratyayau, Sati saptami, Tadhitaha, Apatyarthakaha.
Actually, there is a mistake in it. Apatyarthakaha. I will correct it.
Apatyarthakaha, Sambandharthakaha, Bhavarthakaha, Matvarthakaha, Tarap-tamap. Anye kechana pratyayah tadhitanta vyayani.
Tadhitanta avyayani.
Tadhitanta vyayani. Nijantaha, sanantaha. Sanantaha. Natvam, swarasandhihi, visargasandhihi. Anye vishayah.
Ekanimisham. If anybody else is able to see the slides?
No, ma'am.
None of you.
I'm not able. I can see the first one about you given about the bookstores and all that. And that's all.
No. If you go to this link, you will be able to see, I think.
Yeah, even in the link, I'm getting only that. I'm not getting anything else.
Okay. Then, so, Shankarapuram, Sri Priya, you have already switched off the video. You said you will switch off at 7:30 or something like that. Sri Priya? You said you are switching off at 7:30 or something, no? Because our Arsha Seva Kendra insists that you must have the video on. Okay. So if you are able to read that, please read from that. Are you able to see that slide? Oh, this from this link.
I posted the slide for today's class alone on chat. Maybe you could.
Okay. I mean, she can see the chat, no? She can.
Yeah.
Sri Priya?
Everyone can see the chat.
Sri Priya, can you open that link and read from there?
You're muted, Sri Priya ji.
Sri Priya? You are muted.
Yes, ma'am, I can see you. Ma'am, I got a slide. Parichayah, swasya parichaya, nama, kutra vasati. That link.
तदेव तत्र अन्ये विषयाः अपि सन्ति न तत् पठतु भवती पठनांशाः सोपानानि अभवत् पठनांशाः व्याकरणविषयाः सा पठितवती भवती एतत् पठतु अन्ये विषयाः इति अस्ति न तत् पठतु
आम् महोदय अन्ये विषयाः अन्वयक्रमः भगवद्गीता काव्यकथा किरातार्जुनीयं शिशुपालवधं सुभाषितानि सूक्तयः व्यवहारिक शब्दावली चाटुश्लोकाः समस्याः संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणम्
केचन नियमाः अपि सन्ति anybody else is able to access that link? No, Chitra or Veena?
No, I can only get one slide which says Me Sanskritam
I will read out the Kechana Nemaha.
Okay.
Kakshayam Bhagam Svikurvantu, Prashnan Pruchantu, Yatha Samayam Agachantu. Keep the video on. That is very, very important. Video has to be kept on. Please stay on mute until asked a question or during group discussions. Grihakaryam kurvantu uttarapatram diyete tena adharane swasya vishodanam kurvantu. Patanam adhikataram samskritena eva bhavet. I mean, I will try my best because this is the first time I am teaching. Prayatam ahamapi karomi bhavatyaha api kurvantu. गृहकार्याणि यथाशक्ति संस्कृतम् उपयुज्यतु अन्वयरचना इत्यादि विषये प्रत्येकतया संस्कृतेन वक्तुं प्रयत्नं कुर्वन्तु तदेव दट् इस् इम्पार्टेण्ट् शिक्षकेन शिक्षिकया अन्यैः छात्रैः सह दट् इस् अस्मिन् वर्गे विकल्पः न सर्वासु परीक्षासु सम्भाषणांशाः स्युः परीक्षाः no actually they've given because when we were in that class we didn't have so many of these exams. One test about every 10 class and final exam. Tests and exams are compulsory. Attendance, homework submission, Sanskritena Sambhashanam, and minimum must secure minimum marks. And actually in that slide, the timing was written wrong, but I've just now corrected it. So batch 1 is on Wednesday India time, 8 to 9:30 p.m. Batch 2 is Friday India time, 6:30 to 8. Abhyasa Vargaha, they've still not decided. So the slide given there is the old last year's. This year's Abhyasa Varga is still not decided. These are all the details regarding this class. Astu? Ekanimisham. So we will first do a Punaravalokam of the previous classes, whatever we have done. So Lata Kakshayam Kim Patitam Pratyaha Ke Pratyaha Patitavantaha Bhavatyaha Tavatu Tva Pratyantam
Tavatu Pratyaya Sasyam Varge Patitavati Ta Pratyaya Ta Pratyaya Lyap also Sasyam Varge
Lyap Tva Lyap Astu
Tavyam Patitavyam
Bhavi and Bhavi Prayoga and Vidiling Prayoga.
Aniyar
Tavyat
Aniyar. Then Tuman
also
Sasyam Madhye. Sasyam Astu. Yada Bhavate Sarve Janantah Sub Tingantam Padamiti Asti Samskrite. I mean, the words are either Subantam or Tingantam. Subantam is Namapadam, Tingantam verb. Astuva? And nearly 95% of the words in Sanskritam, they are derived from the Tingantam only, from the Dhatu. Tingantam means you have the Dhatu. Dhatu is the root. For the noun, the basic thing is, it's called Pratipadikam. For the verb, the basic thing is Dhatu. So most of the words are derived from the Dhatus only. Okay. So by adding various Pratyayas, you add Upasargam also to the Dhatu. Upasargam is Dhatu Purvam Bhavati. Pratyayas Dhatoha Anantaram Bhavati. Astu va? This Tavatu Pratyaya, Tva Pratyaya, Lyap, Tumon, Tavya, Aniyar, Pikta Pratyaya, Etat Sarvam Paditavantaha. So one by one, Udaranam Dadatu. Tavatu Pratyayasya Udaranam Bhavati. Vadatu Chitra Nandakumar. Tavatu.
Kakshayam, Purva Kakshayam, Aham, Tavatu Pratyaya Patitavati.
Patitavati, Astu, Samyak Uttaram. तवतु प्रत्ययस्य विशेषं किम्? त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु, त्रिषु वचनेषु, सप्तसु विभक्तिषु तस्य रूपं भवति। तदेव तव्यत् नियर्। वीणा वीणा भवती वदतु। तव्यत्
अस्माकं संस्कृतं संस्कृते भाषे वक्तव्यम्।
अस्माभिः संस्कृतभाषायां वक्तव्यम्। संस्कृतभाषया either in संस्कृतेन अथवा संस्कृतेन वक्तव्यं, संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कर्तव्यम्। अत्र अपि अस्यापि किं विशेषं भवति? एतदपि अस्य विशेषं किं? तवतु प्रत्ययः तदपि त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु, त्रिषु वचनेषु, सप्तसु विभक्तिषु भवति किल? पुस्तकं पठितव्यं। स्त्रीलिङ्गे मध्ये एकम् उदाहरणं ददातु।
सा पाठं, no, it should be the कर्मणि, तया कविता लिखितव्यं। लिखितव्या
कविता स्त्रीलिङ्गं भवति किल? तदेव। अस्तु, अनियर् प्रत्ययम्। अनियर् राधिका वदतु। राधिका भवती वदतु। अनियर् प्रत्ययम्।
रामेण वेदः पठनीयः।
स्त्रीलिङ्गे किमपि वक्तुं शक्यते वा?
रमया वेदः पठनीया।
अत्रापि वेदः पुल्लिङ्गे एव, तदेव तस्यैव परिवर्तनं भवितव्यम्। अस्तु, इदानीं सा किम् उक्तवती? कवितां स्वीकृत्य वदतु। रामेण कविता
पठनीयः।
अवगतं वा इदानीम्? अस्तु, अस्तु। नियर् इक्तप्रत्ययम्। प्रत्ययं श्रीप्रिया भवती वदतु। श्रीप्रिया। एक्तप्रत्यय किमपि उदाहरणं वदतु। वदति वा श्रीप्रिया महोदय? श्रीप्रिया महोदय वदति वा भवती? अस्तु, चित्रा महोदय भवती एव वदतु।
प्रत्यय
my internet is just very low. I am not able to speak. Just getting.
चित्रा नन्दकुमार भवती वदतु। इक्तप्रत्यय
बालकेन पठतः पाठः
पठितः
पठितः
स्त्रीलिङ्गं मध्ये
बालिकया कथा श्रोतव्या
न तव्य प्रत्ययः
पठिता कथा पठिता
तत्र भवती बालिकया इति उक्तवती तत्र तस्य आवश्यकता नास्ति बालकेन अपि वक्तुं शक्यते कथा एव कथा तदेव तस्य what did you say balikaya that you could have said balakena kata patita astu va
okay
नपुंसकलिङ्गं मध्ये किमपि वदतु नपुंसकलिङ्गं मध्ये
बालकः फलम्
अस्तु वदतु
खादितं बालकः बालकेन फलं
खादितम् अस्तु वा अवगतं वा I mean how you are framing the sentences अस्तु and then एतत् सर्वं त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु त्रिषु वचनेषु सप्तसु विभक्तिषु भवन्ति परन्तु केचन तदा नहि केचन ते अव्ययाः इति उक्तानि अस्तु वा अव्ययम् इति भवति अव्ययानि भवन्ति किम् अव्ययं भवति कृत् प्रत्ययं पठितवन्तः न तस्मिन् किम् अव्ययं भवति तव तु तव्य अनियर् रिक्तप्रत्ययं सर्वं वयं दृष्टवन्तः अव्ययं किं भवति प्रत्यये त्वा प्रत्यय पठित्वा तत्र पुल्लिङ्गं भवतु वा नपुंसकलिङ्गं भवतु वा स्त्रीलिङ्गं भवतु वा एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं कापि विभक्ति भवतु तत्र समानमेव रूपं समानमेव सः गत्वा पठितवान् सा गत्वा पठितवती ते गत्वा पठितवन्तः इति तानि अव्ययानि भवन्ति त्वा ल्यब् तुमुन् मया गन्तुं न शक्यते तेन गन्तुं न शक्यते तदेव मया तेन तया किमपि भवतु परन्तु गन्तुम् एकमेव तस्य रूपम् एकमेव भवति अतः अव्ययानि भवन्ति कानि वदतु तुमुन् त्वा ल्यप् त्वा अर्थं समानमेव परन्तु तस्य वाट् इस् द डिफरेन्स् यत्र उपसर्गः भवति तत्र ल्यबन्तं भवति यत्र उपसर्गं न भवति तत्र त्वान्तं भवति त्वान्तम् अव्ययं ल्यबन्तम् अव्ययं तुमुन्नन्तम् अव्ययं त्रीणि अव्ययानि भवन्ति त्वान्तं ल्यबन्तं तुमुन्नन्तं रूपं समानमेव भवति त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु त्रिषु वचनेषु सप्तसु विभक्तिषु रूपं समानमेव भवति तत्र अतः तद् अव्ययं भवति एतत् सर्वं गतकक्षायां भवत्यः पठितवन्तः अस्मिन् स्तरे वयं शत्रु शानच् इति प्रत्ययविषये पठिष्यामः. तत् स्लैड् दृश्यते वा?
दृश्यते.
दृश्यते वा वीणा? न
न
न
दृश्यते.
दृश्यते महोदय.
भवती
I'll post it as a comment on Zoom. Can I'll post the slides and Veena and Chitraji can also access it.
अस्तु अस्तु.
You click it, you can go there. Yeah, I've just posted it.
कमेण्ट् मध्ये.
अस्तु.
इदानीं भवती एव पठतु राधिका. भवती एव पठतु. शत्रुप्रत्ययः इति अस्ति किल?
इदानीं
तस्य विषये इदानीं दृश्यते न? सर्वेभ्यः दृश्यते न?
दृश्यते.
अस्तु अस्तु.
दृश्यते.
राधिका इदानीं भवती पठतु. शत्रुप्रत्ययः.
पुनरवलोकनम्.
अस्तु अस्तु. फ्रॉम दैट itself you read. इदानीं वयं
I couldn't see where is that slide.
इदानीं चाट् मध्ये लिंक शेयर कृतवती. चाट् मध्ये लिंक इदानीं स्थापितवती राधिका. चाट् मध्ये गत्वा तत्र लिंक उपरि क्लिक करोतु.
The class, in the class you are talking.
Just now there is chat box, no? Zoom मध्ये chat box अस्ति किल?
Description box.
No, it is called the chat box, no? I mean, chat.
Chitraji, we are not talking about Google description, Google link. In the Zoom meeting that we are in, there is a chat box. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll see a green icon, share screen. Right next to it, there is a chat window. So if you press on that chat window, then you'll see a couple of comments. And the last one, I have posted the current Google slide we're using.
1 second. Whiteboard meeting setting chat. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you got it.
श्रीप्रिया महोदय कमेंट अस्ति किल? my internet is too slow. तस्य अधः अस्ति. अस्तु न? इदानीं राधिका पुनरवलोकनं पठतु भवती.
उक्तवतु त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु त्रिषु वचनेषु सप्तसु विभक्तिषु पठितवान् पठितवती पठितवत् इक्त्वा अव्ययं पठित्वा प्रपठ्य तुमुन् अव्ययं पठितुम्.
अस्तु इदानीं चित्रा.
I think what I have is the previous one only. I don't have these slides.
Who?
I don't have these slides. The previous one I'm getting. That is about the Malati course and all that.
Who is
Second link you have to
Veena.
click.
Chitra. Astu. Veena?
Yes.
Bhavatya.
I'm getting only the previous ones, not this one.
Veena?
Yes, Mahodaya.
Bhavatya drashtum sakyate va tad slides?
No, I can see the previous slides. That is a Samskrita Pradhanam Patanam Adhikataram.
Oh, tadeva. Astu, idanim Radhika eva patatu. Continue karotu. Tavya
or Tavyat. Trishu linkeshu, trishu vachaneshu, saptasu vibhaktishu. Patitavyah, patitavya, patitavyam.
Astu.
And here, trishu lingeshu, trishu vachaneshu, saptasu vibhaktishu. Pataniyah, pataniya, pataniyam. Ikta pratyay, trishu lingeshu, trishu vachaneshu, saptasu vibhaktishu. Patitah, patita, patitam.
Astu. Idanim tavatu iktapratyam द्वावपि भूतकाल बोधयति. अहं गतवती, सः गतः, Tena uktam. It gives you the past tense and bhutakala vishe and tavyat aniyat etat sarvam kim bhavati? Karaniyam gantavyam iti.
Present tense.
No, whatever gantavya.
Must should.
What we should do.
What one should do. Ikta tavatu pratyam sarvam karyam samaptam. Whereas this one is, it says what one should do. Karaniyam gantavyam tadeva. And tva lyap kim bodhayati. Tva lyap upayujya ekam vakyam vadatu. Veena, tva upayujya ekam vakyam vadatu.
Aham patam patitva भ्रमणं गच्छामि.
तत्र किं तत्र त्वा इति किं बोधयति तत्?
कार्यं कुर्वन् इट्स् ओवर्, they have done that.
द्वे कार्ये स्तः तत्र. एक कार्यं समाप्तं, द्वितीयं कार्यं चलति. तदेव अहं गत्वा कार्यं कृत्वा अहं पाठं पठित्वा भ्रमणं करोमि. पठनकार्यं समाप्तं भवति. अस्तु न? तदेव तत्र तद् अस्ति. ल्यप् 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 तदेव, परन्तु ल्यप् वाट् इस् द डिफरेन्स्? चित्रा भवती वदतु एकं उदाहरणं. ल्यप्
अहं प्रलिख्य गृहपाठम् अकरोत्. उपसर्ग should come.
उपसर्गः अस्ति, अतः ल्यबन्तम् अव्ययं भवति. तत्रापि तदेव अर्थम् बोधयति. कार्यं समाप्तं. द्वे कार्ये स्तः तत्र. एकं कार्यं समाप्तं, द्वितीयं कार्यं चलति. वर्तमानकालः अस्ति. भूतकाले अपि भवितुं शक्यते. अहं गृहं गत्वा पाठं पठति स्म. सः गृहं गत्वा आहारं अखादयत्. भूतकाले अपि भवति, परन्तु द्वे कार्ये एकं कार्यं समाप्तं, द्वितीयं कार्यं चलति. अतः तत्र ल्यबन्तमव्ययम् अथवा त्वान्तमव्ययम् उपयुज्यते. तुमुन् इति राधिका भवती वदतु.
अहं पाठं पठितुं देवालयं गच्छामि.
पाठं पठितुं देवालयं गच्छामि वा? पाठं पठितुं शालां गच्छामि.
पाठशालां गच्छामि.
अत्र कार्यं कर्तुम् इच्छा भवति न? कार्यं करणे इच्छा अस्ति. अतः अहम् अल्पाहारं खादितुं अल्पाहारगृहे गच्छामि. ऐ गो टु होटेल् टु ईट् सम्थिङ्ग् न? अतः तत्र एकं कार्यं कर्तुं तत्र इच्छा अस्ति. एतत् सर्वम् अव्ययानि भवन्ति न? त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु वा तत्र रूपं समानमेव भवति. अस्तु. इक्तप्रत्ययं तवतु प्रत्ययं भूतकालं बोधयति. इदानीम् अहं शत्रुप्रत्ययम् इति तस्य विषये पठामः. I think only Radhika has to read because nobody else.
I can do, ma'am. I can.
You got it?
I can do.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then read the Shatru Pratyaya.
1 second. I think even Veena ji can access it.
I
Same
just
thing
checked.
on the chat. Yeah, it's there on the Zoom chat.
Okay, okay. Then they will take turns. Okay. Shatru Pratyaya. 2 sentences Chitra ji will read, then Veena ji. अस्तु अस्तु
शत्रुप्रत्ययः भिन्नक्रियाः समकालं यदा भवन्ति ताः क्रियाः बोधयितुं शत्रुप्रत्ययः उपयुज्यते। क्रियाणां कर्ता एकमेव। बालकः गच्छति, समकाले सः एव जलं पिबति। बालकः जलं पिबन् गच्छति।
गच्छति। अत्र भवती एव वदतु किम् अत्र किम् उक्तमस्ति इति भवती एव वदतु चित्रा।
बालकः while drinking water going समकालं that both drinking water and
भवत्याः वीडियो न वीणा भवत्याः वीडियो अपि न दृश्यते।
While reading this notes,
I'm reading the slides.
Oh, you are not
so
able to read. You are not able to see. Okay. Astu,
no, I
astu.
can see the slides now, but my video has gone because the slides are showing.
Okay, okay. Astu. Astu. Chitra, bhavati vadatu idanim.
बालकः गच्छति, समकाले सः एव जलं पिबति।
अतः
बालकः जलं पिबन् गच्छति।
अत्र द्वे कार्ये भवतः, परन्तु द्वे अपि कार्ये चलतः। एकं कार्यं समाप्तम्, एकं कार्यं चलति इति न, द्वे अपि कार्ये समकाले एव चलतः। अतः तयोः एकं कार्यं शत्रुप्रत्ययं शत्रुरूपं भवति, तदेव शत्रुप्रत्ययम् इति वदन्ति। नेक्स्ट् वन् यू रीड् वीणा।
छात्रः लिखति, समकाले सः एव खादति। छात्रः खादन् लिखति।
खादन् लिखति। अस्तु, लिखन् खादति तदेव वक्तुं शक्यते। त्वा अपि सममेव। either way you can say. द्वे कार्ये भवतः। अतः समकाले एव भवति। एकः एव कर्ता अपि एकः एव। एकः एव लिखति, स एव खादति। अतः द्वयोः एकं शत्रुरूपं भवति। This one, Radhika, you read the next one.
भीमः भ्रमति, समकाले सः एव गीतं गायति। भीमः गीतं गायन् भ्रमति।
अतः गीतं गायति, भ्रमति समकाले। द्वौ अपि कार्यं भवतः तत्र। तदेव शत्रुप्रत्ययम्। रामः पठति। चित्रा भवती पठतु।
रामः पठति, समकाले सः एव लिखति। रामः लिखन् पठति।
सो लिखन् पठति, पठन् लिखति। त्वा प्रत्ययम् उपयुज्य एतद् वाक्यं कथं भवति? वीणा भवती वदतु। रामः पठति, रामः लिखति।
रामः पठित्वा लिखति।
तत्र अर्थस्य को भेदः? तत्र अर्थे को भेदः भवति?
रामः पठति, पठित्वा पठनं समाप्त कृत्वा
पठनकार्यं समाप्तं। परन्तु अस्मिन् रामः पठन् लिखति इत्यत्र
समकाले
पठनकार्यमपि चलति, द्वितीयकार्यः अपि चलति। तदेव इदानीम् अवगतं वा? त्वा प्रत्ययं, ह्यबन्तं, शत्रुप्रत्ययं भेदः। When you see the both the sentences, you will know what is used where. Astu va? Actually, the shatru iti shatru. Actually, you should be careful. You should not say shatru. What is shatru? Shatru is enemy. This is rikara. Shatru. That pronunciation has to be very correct. Actually, it is how it is formed. Ish, it, rikara. Okay? Ish, it, ऋकार भवति तत्र इष् अपि चलति तस्य लोपः भवति ऋकारस्य अपि लोपः भवति अतः अत् इति तदेव शेषं भवति अत् इति इष् इत् र actually there is I think there is a slide I will share it later I'll post it I'll make the slide and post it
Okay.
But if you write ish it r ish tasyapi lopah bhavati r iti tasyapi lopah bhavati मध्ये किं शेषं भवति it that at only is added so that is what is shatru pratyaya so pada nirmanam katham bhavati moola so
मूलरूपं प्रकृतिः प्लस् प्रत्ययः इस् इक्वल् टु नामपदं क्रियापदम्
तदेव मया पूर्वमेव उक्तं तस्य विवरणम् अत्र दत्तमस्ति पठतु वयं पश्यामः तदेव धातुः
प्लस्
तिङ्
प्रत्यय इस् इक्वल् टु तिङन्तं पदं क्रियापदं प्रातिपदिकं प्लस् सुप्रत्ययः इस् इक्वल् टु सुबन्धं पदं नामपदं
सुप्रत्यय इति सप्तसु विभक्तिषु एकवचनं द्विवचनं बहुवचनं भवति सो 7 into 3 21 सुप्रत्यय 21 there are 21 तिङ् प्रत्यय धातोः तिङ् प्रत्ययस्य योजनेन तिङन्तं भवति पदं भवति तदेव अहं प्रथममेव उक्तवती सुप् तिङन्तं पदम् इति सुबन्तं तिङन्तम् अथवा वीणा महोदय नेक्स्ट् भवती पठतु
धातुः प्लस् कृत् प्रत्ययः gives कृदन्तः प्रातिपदिकं कृदन्तः प्लस् सुप् प्रत्ययः gives subantam padam
so that's what I said 95% of the words in Sanskrit they are derived from the dhatu by adding the krit pratyaya then once the krit pratyaya is added it becomes the pratipadikam is the noun isn't it dhatu is the verb root pratipadikam is the noun so how it is formed 94% they are formed from the verb roots only ramah iti asti Ramayate asmin iti Ramah. People are, they find happiness in him. Ramayate iti dhatu, na? Ram iti dhatu.
Okay.
Tasmat
so
eva
even nouns are derived. Okay.
So 95% of the Sanskrit words are coming from dhatu only. How they are formed? By adding the pratyayas. Krit pratyayas. Once you add the krit pratyayas, you get the pratipadikam. Then once you get the pratipadikam, you have 21 supratyayas. So supratyayas is what makes it subantam. Subantam, subantam. Ting is ting pratyaya, ting antam, ting antam. So noun and verb, you understood. That is what purvame maya uktam. Then next one, Radhika, you read. Pat
plus at from krit pratyay equal to patat pratipadikam. Patat plus sup pratyay patan patanti patat.
तदेव अत् इति अत्र दत्तमस्ति न तदेव शत्रुप्रत्यय इदानीम् अहम् एक्स्प्लेन् कृतवती न शत्रु इति इष् तस्य लोपः भवति ऋकारस्य लोपः भवति मध्ये किं भवति इत् तदेव पट् अत् पट् इति धातु धातोः अत् इति कृत् प्रत्ययस्य योजनं भवति पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं तदेव दिस् पठत् इति it works like a noun or an adjective to a noun patat balakah iti इति उक्ते a boy who is reading. पठन् बालकः पठत् इति तस्य प्रातिपदिकं भवति तस्य प्रातिपदिकस्य इदानीमपि राम इति भवति न रामः रामो रामाः इति अहं वदन्ति परन्तु तस्य प्रातिपदिकं राम एव कथं वदन्ति अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः रामः शब्दः इति अहं न वदामः रामशब्दः दट् इस् प्रातिपदिकम् अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः देन् रामः रामौ रामाः रामं रामौ दट् दट् विसर्गं नो दट् इस् प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं तत्र एव आगच्छति परन्तु शब्दं प्रातिपदिके विसर्गः न भवति तदेव इदानीं मम पठत् इति दृष्टवन्तः न तत् प्रातिपदिकं भवति पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं तत् सुबन्तम् एव भवति अदर्वैस् adjective it becomes so it has to have त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु रूपं भवति किल त्रिषु लिङ्गेषु रूपं कथं भवति पठत् सुप्रत्यययोजनेन पठत् इति पुल्लिङ्गे पठन् इति पुल्लिङ्गे पठत् इति नपुंसकलिङ्गे पठन्ति न पठन्ति इति स्त्रीलिङ्गे प्रातिपदिकं पठत् अस्तु वा पुल्लिङ्गे पठन् इति भवति पठत् इस् द प्रातिपदिकं लैक् I said Rama is the प्रातिपदिकं बट् रामः इस् प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं तदेव पठत् इति प्रातिपदिकं प्रथमावचनं प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं पुल्लिङ्गे पठन् इति भवति प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं स्त्रीलिङ्गे पठन्ती इति भवति प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचनं नपुंसकलिङ्गे पठत् इति भवति पठत् एव भवति परन्तु प्रातिपदिकं तस्य पठत् एव एतत् सर्वं अवगतं वा शत्रुप्रत्ययः कथं भवति शत्रुप्रत्यये तत् किम् अस्ति एतत् सर्वम् अवगतम् अत् इति प्रत्ययः प्रत्ययस्य नाम शत्रु so you have to be careful not shatru shatru ta ऋकारान्तं it is not ta itra lukarantam that is shatru so shatrantam shatru so be very careful यस्य रूपस्य अन्ते शत्रु अत् इति प्रत्ययः भवति तद् शत्रु प्रत्ययान्तरूपम् इति भवति so इदानीं वदतु शत्रुप्रत्ययस्य विषये किं किं ज्ञातवन्तः इति वदतु एकमेकं विषयं वदतु शत्रुप्रत्यय किं बोधयति किं कालं बोधयति
वर्तमानकाल
भूतकाले अपि भवितुं शक्यते रामः पठन् गतवान् अथवा पठन् अगच्छत् तद् अपि भवितुं शक्यते लेकिन परन्तु तत् पठन् इति तत् कार्यं न समाप्तं द्वे कार्ये so it is a continuous like you say no so that way so then शत्रु
continuous
present past मध्ये अपि भूतकाले अपि भवति see he went home reading or he went home crying रामः रुदन् रामः बालकः रुदन् गृहम् अगच्छत् एकः बालकः अस्ति सः पतितवान् अतः बालकः रुदन् गृहम् अगच्छत् बालकः रुदन् गृहं गच्छति बालकः
this word won't change then it will remain the same
no rudan it will change not for that kala but for the gender that will change ekah balakah rudan gacchati dvau balakau tau gachanti I'll come to it later okay but for kala it will not change For Kala, it Rudan agachat, Rudan gachati, Rudan gamishyati. Rudan tasya rupam tadeva bhavati. Astu va?
Okay.
That you understood. Okay. Vartama and Veena bhavati vadatu. Anything else you knew about Shatru Pratyaya? What else you got to know about it?
The Linga Bheda Bhavati.
Linga Bheda Bhavati.
Kala Bheda na Bhavati.
Kala Bheda Bhavati. Sarvasu Vibhaktishu, Trishu Vachaneshu cha, Trishu Lingeshu, Tasya Rupam Bhavati. And Visheshanattvena upayujyate. Ataha eva tasya etat sarvam bhavati. Any visheshanam, yat lingam, yat vachanam, ya vibhakti visheshyasya, tat lingam, tat vachanam, sa vibhakti visheshanasya. So it works like a visheshana, as an adjective. So in English, you say good boy, good girl, but that good doesn't change. But in Hindi, it changes. Acha ladka, achi ladki. In the same manner, here also it changes, isn't it? So, so that all the three is there. And one more thing about Shatru Pratyaya is, it is added to the Parasmai Pada Dhatus. No, there are two different types of Dhatus. Three actually. Parasmai Pada, Atmane Pada, and Ubhaya Pada. Some Dhatus are both Pada. So Shatru Pratyaya is added to the Parasmai Pada Dhatu. For the Atmane Pada Dhatus, it is called Shanach Pratyaya. And Ubhaya Pada Dhatu, depending on which Pada it takes, because they are used in different contexts. Depending on that, it takes Chatra or Shanach. Understood? So Parasmai Pada. So these are the four things. It is Karta Ekaha Eva. Ramaha Gachan Patati. Ramaheva Gachati, Ramaheva Patati. Ataha Karta Ekaha Eva. Vartamana Kalarte. It is not Vartamana Kale, Vartamana Kalarte. You know the difference, isn't it? It is showing a continuous.
Present continuous.
That action. Continuity of the action. But it is not necessarily, it has to be in Vartamana Kala. As I said, Ramaha Patan Griham Agachat. Balakaha Rodan Griham Agachat. Past tense. Balakaha Rodan Griham Gachati. Balakaha Rodan Griham Gamishyati. So, Parantu, that continuity of action, that is where you have to Vartamana Kala Arte. That action is continuing between the two. Isn't it? That action is continuity of the action. So it is not Vartamana Kala, it is Vartamana Kalarte. Understood? Then Parasmai Pada Dhatubhyaha Shatru Pratyayam Bhavati. Then Visheshanattvena upayujyate. Ataha Trishu Lingeshu, Trishu Vachaneshu, Saptasu Vibhaktisu, Tasya Upayogam Bhavati. Astu va? And these are the 4 points about. So, and as I told you, Patat iti Shatru Pratyayam Yojanena, tasya Pradipitikam Bhavati, Patat iti. I mean, for example, Patat, Pullinge Patan iti Bhavati, Strilinge Patanti iti Bhavati, Napumsakalinge Patat iti Bhavati. And then it becomes the Subantam. Then it has all the Vibhaktis. Ramaha Ramau Ramaha asti. Ekaha Balakaha Patan Gacchati. Dau Balakau, then you have to change it. Patantau Gacchataha. Whereas in English, if you say 2 boys are reading and going, that reading doesn't change. But in Sanskrit, when you say Dau Balakau, Yataha Karyam Kurvana Dve asti, Dvestaha. Isn't it? 2 people are doing the work. Ataha Dvau Balakau patantau gacchataha. Understood?
Mm.
So in the same manner, you will have the bahuvachanam also. And then all the vibhaktis also. Aham patantam balakam pashyami. Balakah patati. Aham tam pashyami. So aham patantam balakam pashyami. Then patanta balakena griham gatam. Actually that griham gatam in English you cannot translate. The house was gone to by the boy. That way you cannot say. But just now this thing only came to my mind, so I'm telling you. So patanta patata balakena. So patantam balakam pashya. If I say, see that boy is reading. You see the boy who is reading. So tatra patantam balakam. Dvitiya vibhakti bhavati. Tadeva ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam madhye api bhavati. Tadeva saptasu vibhaktishu bhavati. Avagatam va? And once you get that this thing, you will understand how it is. And here now I'll just explain how you get the Satru Pratyayanta Rupam. Api su pat iti dhatu bhavati. Tasya Satru Pratyayanta Rupam katam bhavati iti katam janimah vayam. Patati iti tasya latlakara pratama bahuvachana rupam pashyamah. Patati, patantah, patanti. Bahuvachana rupam kim bhavati? Patanti iti bhavati. Astu na? Patanti iti atra ti nishkasya kim bhavati? Patanti iti bhavati na? Ti nishkasya patan. That becomes the pullinga of. But if you want to get the pratipadikam as such, inti nishkasya it shatru pratyaya it bhavati na at iti. Pat iti dhatu. Pat iti dhatoh at iti yojana bhavati. Pat at patat tat pratipadikam bhavati. So either in two ways you can understand it. Patanti iti inti nishkasya ti nishkasya kurmah chet patan iti pullinga rupam bhavati. Inti nishkasya shatru at yojanam kurmah chet pat plus at becomes patat. Patat. You understood, no? So if you only remove the ti, you get the pullinga rupam. But if you want to know what the pratipadikam is, you have to remove inti both together and just add pat plus at. Understood? So more if we give the exercise or more if you look at those slides, you will understand them better. So
we have to remove the T.
If you remove the T, you will get pullinga rupam. If you remove the inti and if you remove inti, you have to add the at, that Satru Pratyayasya at yojanam karaniya. So either you get the pullinga rupam by removing the ti, or you get the remove both and add it pat plus patat. Astuva? Now you got it clear. More of that slides if they are there, once they are posted in the group, you will be able to understand it better. That will become, I have to a certain extent I've tried to explain because we will be doing it again. Because this ekasmin varge na purayati. 2-3 classes we have to do and we have to have some exercises also. Then only we will be able to, get the concept. Concept, once you get the concept clear, then so we will do 2-3 classes. We are in no hurry. We are in no hurry to catch any bus. Mandam chalamah parantu avagamanam bhavitavyam na avagamanam bhavet. Once you understand the concept, the thing you can learn faster. But the concept you have to get it very clear. So, because to tell you frankly, this is my first class of teaching in Sanskrit and teaching in Zoom. No, if there is a blackboard, I can just write and explain. Teaching in Zoom, it becomes, I'm also, so whatever shortcoming is there from me, kindly excuse me.
I'm
it's very clear.
appreciating,
What
ma'am,
you are
for
explaining is very clear.
taking class with confidently. I'm very appreciative.
See,
It's
I'm
very
trying
good.
my level best. This being my first class, and Zoom, that the whole this thing is new to me. I didn't even know how to start this. So I told my son to come back early from office and come and help me out. Because there was a daytime when we did for them. Now it's time for them to come and do for us. We handheld them and we did. Now he is hand holding me and he's helping me. So for 3-4 classes, such teething trouble will be there. Kindly excuse me for that.
No. It's very clear. It's very.
So I think so. And actually, for the prayers, I've got some more prayers typed. I've not been able to upload it in the group. 3 prayers on Sanskrit. One day Sanskrit Mataram. Okay, there are three shlokas are there that I'll put, and some more. A couple of shlokas where that Satru Pratyam is there. It's a prayer also. So I thought once I teach you this Satru Pratyam and I put that shlokam there, you will be able to connect where the Satru Pratyam comes. So like that I've done thoda kaam karke rakha hai. Then I have to slowly give me some time to get into the groove. Till then, kindly put up with me, and any computer related thing, I think Radhika should be able to help me. No, Radhika?
Sure, ma'am. Yes, I'll be able
You'll
to
help me now.
Yeah.
Please, I need somebody. In fact, in the beginning itself, I said if there is some youngster who can help me with all this navigation, I'll be very happy. So I'm telling you frankly, I will ask you for help for all that. And anything else you people wanted to, was I too fast or was I clear in my expression? Please feel free, because for me also it's a new thing. Whatever feedback you give me, I will try to correct myself. So come out with whatever you felt about the class, whether I was fast or was I clear in my expression. Please do tell me. Come on, Radhika, you start.
Okay. So for me, it was very clear. The pace was fine. And the balance between English and Sanskrit also works for me. I think if you had started all Sanskrit, I would have been a little thrown off.
No. That's why, the other teacher also, he also said, let us first 1 or 2 classes, let us talk
For
in
us also, teething trouble is there,
just to make you comfortable, when both of us have to feel comfortable about it. Chitra, Nandakumar, you tell me what you felt, where I have to change, or you had any problem. Please tell me, Chitra.
So far, I didn't face any problem, ma'am. I suppose if I have doubt, immediately I will ask you.
Oh, that's very good. That's very nice. And Veena?
Yeah, no, I also found it very interesting, very clear.
Okay.
I like the way you keep repeating so that it stays in our mind.
Because I also have to,
we
go
have
on.
to just revise.
Yeah. We will put.
We have forgotten many things which we learnt in Lata.
Yeah, that's correct.
Like we know the usage, we don't know it's called Tva Pratyaya or Tum.
So slowly, especially when you see, what I suggest is, any shlokam you read, you try to look at the words.
Yes.
What type of, because by now you would have learned some usage of Sanskrit. So any word, all of us must be doing some prayer or something like that. When you read a shlokam, you just look at it, what word it could have been, what is used. Like that, if you look at the vibhakti, actually, I used to learn music on Sanskrit as a young girl. So all our Carnatic music, most of the compositions are in Sanskrit. So even Telugu also, Sanskrit words, very this thing. So I used to go on looking at what vibhakti it is, how it is. Like that, we used to analyze that type of this thing you develop. Any slokam, Vakratunda Mahakaya. Then when you say Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvignam Kurume Deva, Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada, you must realize that everywhere Sambodhanam is used. You don't say Vakratundaha Mahakaya. We say, oh, hey Vakratunda, hey Mahakaya. Hey Surya Koti Samaprabha. Oh Lord, you are calling out to him. Saraswati also is the same. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami. There also Saraswati it is. It is not Saraswati. Sambodhana. Huh? So then Gajananam Bhutaganaadisevitam Kapitta Jambu Palasaravakshitam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. So there everywhere it is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. I pray to the feet of that Ganapati who is Gajanana, Bhuta Ganadi Sevita, who is prayed to by all the Bhuta Ganas, Kapitta Jambu Palasara Bhakshitam, who eats, who loves these fruits, like that. Everywhere, there it is Gajananam, Bhuta Ganadi Sevitam, Kapitta Jambu Palasara Bhakshitam. So there Ditiya Bhakti is used because finally it says Namami. Whereas in Saraswati Namastubhyam, Varade Kama Rupini, Vidyarambam Karishyami. I am doing Vidyarambam, Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. There, oh Goddess Saraswati, may I be successful in my studies. You are only addressing her. So, Gajanam. So, like that, when anything you read, you try to analyze like that. Because Sanskrit is a very logical language. So, if you try to analyze like that, I mean, it opens up a lot of vistas for you. I mean, then it's endless, mind-boggling.
I didn't know that Pratipadikam also comes from Dhatu.
Yeah, 95% of the Samskrita words, they are derived from the Dhatu only. 95% of the word they say. In fact, there is a school of thought says that 100%, but I go by what Soumya Bhagini says in the Vyoma class. She said 95% of the things comes from the dhatus only. From that it derives. See, by adding this pratyas, how much you can expand. There is a word, Kritagnya, Kritagna. Kritagnya is Kritam Janati, one who is very grateful. Kritam Janati. Somebody does you something good, you remember that. You know that he has done the good for you. Kritam Janati. Kritagna, Kritam Hanti. Ungrateful. See, just by that, this thing, how the whole meaning changes. And it's so brief. Whereas we use 5 words in English, in Sanskrit, in one word, the meaning can be conveyed. And as you all know, jumble up also if you put, the meaning doesn't say it. Ramaha vanam gacchati, gacchati Ramaha vanam, vanam Ramaha gacchati. But can you write that in English? No. It will be very confusing. So Sanskrit that way, either way you can manipulate and still the meaning remains the same. These are all the beauties of Sanskrit. Okay. So I think I must record. Where is the record button?
Down,
that end is there, no? That one, no?
Next to the share screen is in green color. Right next to it, you will see record.
There is one shows end. There is a button which shows end. Share. Next to share screen is host tools.
Oh, maybe you have a host screen, so it will be different. It should say record stop then.
1 minute, I will just ask my son. I don't want to. Just 1 second.
Okay.
எது சொல்லிட்டு போ நான் பிரேயர் சொல்லிட்டோம். Okay.
I can, for example, I can.
Then Shanti, last prayer, which prayer you were saying in the class, please say that. Radhika, you say the prayer. Ending.
Oh, I did only Sasyam. I don't know the ending prayer for Lata.
Anything,
Sahana.
any prayer.
Oh. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Thank you. Have a good day,
Dhanyavada.
all of you. Dhanyavadaha. And
Dhanyavad. These slides will be available in that link or?
these slides are what are there in the link only. They are already there.
Okay.
In the Google Classroom, they're already there.
It will
They are
be there.
already
Okay.
there.
Yes.
So you can look at it. So
Okay.
what we are planning to do, the other teacher and myself, we will post the slides before the class itself. Suppose next week your class will be on Friday morning. Sometime after 3-4 days, what we plan to take, because we are supposed to go parallel to each other. So I will discuss with him, and he will post the slides. Based on the slides, I will take the class. So that you have time to go through the slides.
Yeah.
And for me also the screen sharing, and when my face is not seen, your face is not seen, I also get flustered. Because I'm also new to this whole business. Now I'm able to see all of you. So it's easier for me to talk. Whereas the screen sharing is there, means I'll get I'm being very frank with my shortcomings, whatever. So that gentleman also said this way. I mean, we were advised by the Asha Seva Kendra, do like that. So it's a lot easier for the students also, for you also. So you can just go through that. So when I'm teaching it, you just have to understand. No, it'll be easier to understand.
Yeah,
So
actually,
one
this
or two weeks-
one thing is when Hema ma'am posts the slides, we are getting an email from Arsha Seva Kendram. So if you can just track that, if you find it difficult to find it on the classroom link.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I like this one we've gotten the slides 4 days ago, like Hema ma'am has told.
Yeah, but somehow I
See,
don't know. I
that,
didn't get
that
it.
Vakratunda I
please.
posted there, and it has come in this
Even I
Google
almost missed it,
Classroom also.
Veena
And first day Sundaresh Mahodaya had posted that the slide didn't come at all. It was a blank. Everybody said we can't see, we can't see.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that was the thing. Okay. Oh. Who is that? Who is Ramaswamy? Who is Ramaswamy? Somebody? I don't know. Anyway, okay. I think. Thank you so much.
Okay.
See you
Thank
next
you,
week.
ma'am.
See you
Okay,
next
have
week.
a good weekend. Huh? Good day.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.